Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this is our brand new 2021 SeaDek 270 SDX. This boat's got an IO in it. As you can see, we got our full swim platform back here. A nice little submersible platform that goes under the water, makes it easy for reboard, and you can hang out in the water while still being on the boat. Now as I stand here in the cockpit, you can see we got full wraparound seating. I'm standing under this large bimini top that's on this sports tower. This upgrade for 21 is this new tower. It's a nice new design. Now up here at the helm, we have our Simrad display, which does our charts and all our Mercury engine data. Fusion Apollo stereo, your switching, as well as on the helm seat, you have your flip-up bolster. This also adjusts on both sides, so you can sit forward and aft, depending what you're doing on that particular day out. You got a nice table mount back here, and then in-floor storage below. Now, on this 270, this boat has a very large head compartment. You can see it's nice and there. You got a counter, sink, nice head, and a little glove box right here, which is lockable. So, when you're going to the restaurant, want to leave some stuff on the boat, you can lock it up, make sure no one takes it on you. Now, as I walk through here to the bow, we have our windshield, which will close, as well as the wind door. Now, this is nice. It's October here. There's beautiful boating, but it gets a little cold. So having that closed keep you warm on those later season days, or on the early season days. You want to get out there April, early May. So you can see what's nice about the 270 SDX and all the SDX models, for that matter, is they carry the beam very far forward. So you get a lot of extra space in here, rather than it being more narrowed off. Got some in-floor storage. Now on this boat, we did equip it with the windlass anchor system. Again, this has been Lars with MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and this was the 2020 SeaDek 270 SDX. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat you have here, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thank you.